In Roblox, you can use a touch event to detect when a part is touched. And when the player touches a part, you can do whatever you want. For example, if it's a lava pool, you can kill the player. Or if the player eats a speed pill, then you can give the player extra speed. And those two cases are two different types of touch events. In this tutorial, we're going to go over two different types of touch events. The first one, for example, is a lava pool. When the player touches lava, the player is going to die, but the lava pool will stay there in the game. In the second example, we're going to have a speed pill. So when the player eats a speed pill, the player is going to gain extra speed, but the speed pill will be gone from the game because it's no longer available for other players to eat the same pill. So now let's take a look at the first case, which is the lava pool. So here we're building the lava pool, we're adding a part, and we change the color of the part to red, change the name to lava pool, add a script to the lava pool, and inside your script just insert the following lines. We're declaring the part, which is the lava pool. Here's our touch event. And when the player touches the part, we're going to connect to this function. We're going to check to make sure that it is a player that touches the part. And if it is a player, we're going to change the player's health to 0. And here you can see I'm touching the lava pool and I'm dead. Here's our next example. We have a speed pill. We can change the color to yellow, add a script to it. In your script, just insert the following lines. Again, we have a touch event. And when the player touches the part, we're going to connect to this function. The difference here is we have to destroy the part to get rid of the pill so that other players cannot eat the same pill. And then we change the walk speed of the player to 50. The default is 16, so that's going to make the player run really fast. And guys, those are two popular cases of touch events that you can have inside your Roblox game.